Key Stage 3 keywords for the electricity topic. Now there's quite a few of them in this unit, right, so just be aware. A device for measuring your electric current. Okay, so electric current is an ammeter. The unit of electric current, with a symbol A, is amps. A neutral particle that everything is made up of, so that's your protons, your neutrons and electrons, is an atom. Pulled together, for example, north and south on a magnet, attract. Two or more electrical cells together, so that's an electrical cell. As soon as you get two or more, it becomes a battery. A chemical store of energy that provides the push, moves around a circuit, is a cell. A material that carries a charge or energy well, such as metal, is a conductor. A rod of magnetic material placed inside the coil to make a magnetic field is a core. The flow of electrical charge around a complete circuit per second is the current. So current is the flow of electrical charge. A property of a material or particle that can be positive or negative is electric charge. A region where a charged material or particle experiences a force is an electrical field. A temporary magnet, so one that you can switch on and off, produced by an electric current, is an electromagnet. A negatively charged particle found in an atom, often I would write it like that, they flow through a wire when current flows, is an electron. A material that does not conduct electricity or transfer insulator. A current through the air that produces light and sound, flash, lightning. A region where there is a force on a magnetic or magnetic material, magnetic field, so that's you've got your magnet and it's the magnetic field around the outside. Imaginary lines, magnetic field lines, they are these that I've then just connected to a magnet such as iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. Now steel contains iron, that's a magnetic material. Make into a magnet, so if you've got a lump of iron you can turn it into a magnet and that's called magnetize. A component or machine that spins when a current flows through it, a motor. The charge on an electron or on an object that has electrons transferred to it is negative. I was writing electron like that. Describes an object or particle that has no charge, no. Neutral. A neutral particle found in atoms, so we've got pen, or can't even do any pen, neutron. The pole of a magnet that points towards the north, tricky, north pole. The units of resistance, funny little upside down horseshoe thing, is an ohm. A circuit where there are two or more paths, so if I've got a circuit and I've got a resistor there, so that is then a parallel circuit. The charge on a proton, protons positive, P, positive. A measure of the push, so as soon as you talk about push to the electricity, we're talking about potential difference or voltage. A positively charged particle found in atoms, a proton. Be pushed away from each other, repel. How difficult it is for current to flow through a component, how difficult it is. So what's holding it up? The resistance. A circuit is in a single loop. So what you've got is you've got it like that. Series circuit. A pole of a magnet that points towards the south, south pole. A component that controls the current by making or breaking the circuit. So what you'd have is you'd have this symbol. A switch. A measure of the strength of a cell or battery, so you might have 6V or 1.5V or 12V, that's supposed to be 1.5, is the voltage. Device for measuring voltage, voltmeter, units of measurement, volts. Okay, you've got 37 words there, so you need to go through this now, you need to pause it on each slide, each part of the video, and write down your answers. Awesome, right? And again, if you got them all right, absolutely stunning, right? But still do it again. And if you didn't get them all right, make sure you know which ones you got wrong by checking through the answers previously and then do it again. Well done. That's the electricity topic. Remember all those key words, well, your voltage, your current, your resistance, absolutely vital for getting the correct answers.